salaried, so you didn't have, you know, it was tricky asking the physicians about, well, you know, I've heard that, you know, that it might be possible that physicians are getting, you know, kind of paid per procedure. Do you think that plays a role? Oh, no. Well, I've heard of that too, but no. Well, actually, no, because I'm salaried, so I don't even have to worry about that. So everyone had heard of this happening, but it wasn't happening here as far as we could gather data.
So other hospitals were on a different model with non-salaries. So
exactly. So it's comparable to a very specific type of hospital. Yeah.
There's a disconnect between how much you're paid and how much the hospital gets reimbursed. So hospitals are encouraged to do procedures or tests and that sort of thing because they get reimbursement for that. So while you miss me making money, you're still supporting the hospital.
And you may be pushed in that way towards having more procedures done. Yes, thank you, Chuck. All right, so this is kind of the data that I collected.
I'm sorry, I had a quick question.
Yes.
Participants were physicians?
We had physicians, nurses, administrators, and pharmacists. And then a few people who were kind of a little further downstream, so the waste handlers, trying to follow a few of the flows of where things were going. And I had 3 guiding questions, you know, the basics. What's the environmental impact here? What's the human health impact from this type of care? How do these impacts differ between these 3 places? And then what is driving the system? What is the governance here? And this is the question that I think you guys will be most interested in. So for that first question, what were the impacts that I saw? And we came down to 3 specific areas of impact. The first is medical supplies, just in general.